In this private hospital south of Manila, nurses are young. Most of those staffing this desk had only recently graduated, and chances are they are not going to spend the rest of their careers here. I asked if they plan to work abroad. The answer is a resounding yes. The main reason, the relatively dismal pay, as low as $200 a month in some small private hospitals, a third of what the government pays nurses in public hospitals.
We do not receive subsidy from government. So if we try to compete with government facilities, what happens is we will increase the hospitalization cost.
The dissatisfaction worsened during the pandemic, when nurses and other healthcare workers didn't receive their special risk allowances from the government on time.
Filipino nurses have been leaving to work overseas for years, but the number increased dramatically during the pandemic. A recent study in the Journal of Global Health estimates private hospitals like this have lost the most, with about 40% of their nursing workforce quitting since 2020.
Although nurses in England and Wales are striking over wages, the United Kingdom remains an attractive destination. Carlo Diamampo is one of 40,000 Filipino nurses working in the UK.
Even during, I guess, at the end of last year, we got 11% inflation. It's quite high, I would say, compared to the Philippines. But the pay itself been able to suffice all we needed.
Carlos says he currently earns in a month what he used to make in a year in the Philippines. To encourage nurses to stay, the government is suggesting private hospitals be required to at least match the $600 minimum monthly salary for nurses in state hospitals.
We are proposing to standardize the salaries between private and public healthcare workers. We are trying to study on how we can further improve the benefits of our healthcare workers.
The disparity in pay was reason enough for Carlo and his wife to endure years of separation. She finally joined him in the UK last year. But Carlo says it will always be a sacrifice to be living away from home. Barnaby, Al Jazeera, Lipa City, the Philippines.